Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDS.com. Today we've got our 21 here in the shop and we're going to be showing you how easy it is to swap out these dim halogen side marker lights with some hyper bright amber Mkii LEDs from F150LEDS.com. These things, not only are they going to be brighter, but they're deeper amber, and that helps improve the aesthetic look here of the truck on the front end. So it's easy to do, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. To gain access to our side marker bulb here, the first thing that we need to do is pull back on this wheel well liner. There's 4 bolts, 2 here on the wheel well liner itself, and then 2 here up on the fender hub of the truck. So we're going to use a size 7 socket. You can also use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove those 4 bolts, and then we'll peel back the wheel well liner and have access to our side marker light. With our bolts removed, we'll be able to pull the wheel well liner away from the fender of the truck. You can kind of lift up and peel down. There's a little bit of a ledge here underneath the fender, like so. Now, kind of just from the bottom front end, just kind of peel it and roll it over your front tire here. And that will give us access here to our side marker light. It's difficult to show on camera because of the tight spot, but we've got it set up. This plug here is the power connector for your headlight assembly, and right above it, right here, where my finger is pointing, this is going to be your front side marker socket. So you can grab that socket, and with a counterclockwise turn, it will release and you can pull it directly out. Now we'll be able to swap out this bulb. Now that we've got access to our side marker bulb here, we can go ahead and remove it from the socket. One warning, due to how inefficient these halogen bulbs are, if they've been on a long time, they can be very hot. This one hasn't, so it's pretty cool to the touch. So with some direct force outwards, and you don't want to go too gorilla pushing in on this glass bulb, it can break. It'll remove right out of the socket like that. And then we're going to take our Mkii series LED amber bulb here and reinsert it. Take note of the thick wedge-based design. That's going to prevent any damage from vibration and extend the life of your bulb. It gives you a much firmer fitment into the socket here. Now that we've got our light installed, before we put it back into the headlight housing, let's go ahead and give it a test to make sure it's lighting up. If it doesn't light up, yes, that looks fantastic. Definitely much better than this halogen bulb. If it didn't light up during our test, what you want to do is take it out and flip it 180 degrees and reinstall. But we're good to go, so we're going to go ahead and reinstall this socket back into the headlight assembly. So that's all there is to getting our Mkii front marker LED installed here on your 21 and up Ford F150 series truck. The camera can't capture it because of the studio lighting, but it's brighter, plus it has that deeper amber color. It helps enhance the aesthetics of the front end of the truck. You can check it out at F150LEDS.com. You'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F150 and Super Duty trucks. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and we'll see you at F150LEDS.com. Thanks, guys.